Sir, tanong ko lang din po, di ba yung sabi niyo po na you found like a mentor and that changed your mindset. How did that come about ba? Like, did you seek out mentorship or talagang may nakilala kayong tao and then this person took you under their wing?
Magandang katanungan yan. That's a very intelligent question and you deserve an intelligent answer from an unintelligent person.
Po?
Alam mo, we always tell this one eh. Marami kasi rin nagpapa-coach, nagpapa-mentor sa akin. There's a great saying, hindi ko lang alam kung sino nagsabi nun. The teacher will appear if the student is ready. Wala kang makikitang parang magaling. Sasabihin, oh, ito, gusto ko lang turuan. Hindi magpipresenta yun. Dapat ang magpresenta, yung gusto. And then, paano mo malalaman na gusto mo talaga na magpa-mentor? Hindi ko makalimutan yung storya eh. Magaling kasi talaga siyang parang karate teacher. Gusto niya matuto mag-karate. Sabi niya, I only accept students who are really, yung talagang willing to do whatever it takes. Talagang desidido. Sabi niya, ako yun. O sige, kung gusto mo, kita tayo sa beach, alas 6 na umaga. So pagpunta ng beach, punta sila sa medyo malalim-lalim. Dilublob siya ng mga 10 seconds. O gusto mo pa bang magpa-mentor sa akin? Yes. 20 seconds. Gusto mo pang magpa-mentor sa akin? 30 seconds. 1 minute yung last. Gusto mo pa bang ma-pedal sa... Hindi na. I want air. Di ba? Nung sinabi niya, if you want me to teach you, you have to parang desire just like you want air. That's the time I can teach you. Kasi minsan ang hirap eh. Di ba? Yung gusto, pero ikaw pa naghahabol.
Ikaw pa yung nagpo-push talaga.
Oh, ikaw pa. Tapos kung yung gusto, tapos ikaw pa yung nagpa-follow up. Tapos tinatamad, ang dami excuses, late. I don't think that person is ready.